Sometimes we may want to reuse parts of an AI chatbot we already made or was made by somebody else. In this video, I will show you how to reuse a chatbot in Juji. Reusing a chatbot we already made is super easy. You can just select the chatbot we want to reuse and clone it. Now you have a new chatbot. It has all the AI smarts and knowledge of the old chatbot. You can also customize it for a new purpose, for a new audience, or a new task. Sometimes we want to reuse an AI chatbot that is made by somebody else on Juji, or we want to give our chatbots to others. In this case, we can use the export and import function Juji provides. Assume that we want to give this chatbot to others to use. We can just export it. As you can see, the export function generates a Juji file. I just logged into my other Juji account. Now I can import the chatbot I exported earlier. Just like a cloned chatbot, I can also customize the imported chatbot for new purposes, for a new task or new audience. To recap, using an AI chatbot on Juji is very straightforward. We can clone a chatbot for reuse within the same account. We can import a chatbot created by others or export a chatbot for others to use. Sign up on Juji and give it a try.